when you stripe pipe your vehicle, it is just going to be loud all the time, no matter what, no matter if you're cruising around or you are driving hard. Don't you wish to have a way like having a completely quiet cruise or having a loud acceleration? When you look BMWs, Mercedes or other expensive cars, you're gonna see them then comes from factory with systems that allow you to close or open the exhaust system. So I guess I got a solution for you today. I decided to buy this exhaust cutoff valve. Then you can buy on Amazon, eBay. All you have to do is to plug the cigarette lighter plug and it will start working. The system comes with the remote control to control it, comes with the valve and the wiring that you need to actually have all together. And all you have to do is to grab the exhaust cutoff valve and weld it to the exhaust system and then run a different piping for the straight pipe. To start the installation of this cutoff valve, I went to my local muffler shop and they did the whole installation of the muffler that I removed previously of this car and the cutoff valve. And they run a different pipe where it's going to be the straight pipe directly from the engine and the piping then is going to go directly to the muffler. So I will have two different exhaust nuts. I want to have the straight pipe exhaust nut and I'm going to have the muffler exhaust nut. So it's going to be a little quieter. And I went back to my place to work on the wiring. So I create my own system on how to connect all these components together with the module that comes from the factory to work with the exhaust muffler valve. And the result is this. I decided to install the switches over here. As you can see, this is the main switch and these are the ones that are going to close and open. They're better than the original switch that came with the system. So this is designed to not operate with no key on. So if I put the key on, I can turn it on and now it's going to work. You can hear it there. So wait a little, see? So now it's designed for that. And if I want to turn it off, I just press this one and now it doesn't work at all. But in case I leave it on, as soon as I turn the key off, it won't work. So it's a system I designed basically. There you have it. This is all you have to do to create your own system so you can control your exhaust sound when you are driving. Remember then, all the details I show you right here is based on my car. This is a 2011 Hyundai. On how to do it, if you have a different car, it's going to vary because the way to run the wiring and everything, the way you're gonna do it is going to vary depending on the brand. So just make sure to keep on that on mind because it's not going to be the same. And if you don't want to go to the trouble to do the wiring that I did, you know, to control the car manually and to place the switches in one place, you can just have the cigarette lighter plug and just plug it there, and that will be way easier than running all the wires. All you have to make sure is to disconnect it every time you don't need it because that can actually destroy your fuses. This is pretty much all the details that you need to know. There is more to it on how to connect the wiring and everything, but it's pretty easy. That will depend on how you want it. And if you are looking to connect the original system and comes with the remote, you have to do less things because all you have to do is to connect the plug. Probably you have to just to cut the wires and put it to the relay and just put a switch, and then you have the remote and it's going to be pretty easy to control. Just look for me on Instagram if you have any question on how I did the whole process. I can give you an idea on how I can give you the step-by-steps, like how to connect the wiring and everything if you desire to know that. And if you want to help the channel too, you can use the description section. I have details how to help the channel so I can continue making helpful videos for everybody. And make sure to subscribe to the channel, that is very important. So until the next video, stay tuned.